Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Steve with Bro the Handyman. In this video, we're gonna tackle a vacuum hose. It's split right down here. I don't know if you caught it on the camera. And we're gonna go ahead and get that fixed, pull it apart. I'm gonna zoom in a lot better. I've seen a comment on my last video asking me how I take it apart. It's a little tricky, but it can be done. So hopefully this video is a little bit more in detail than the last one, and I hope I can help someone out to do it. From the analytics of my YouTube videos, it shows that like 98 point something percent of the people who watch my videos, and I greatly appreciate you guys watching it, it says that y'all not subscribed. So if you do me a simple favor of hitting that subscribe button, hit the like, so more of these videos can get out. Because I'm not only just teaching people just to do random things like this. It's so that we don't have to get a repair person or send it to a repair shop, so we can learn how to do it and save that extra bit of money and then invest it in big investments, so we can not stay middle class people, poor people, and get rich. That's my goal, and I want to help you guys get rich too. Because what's the purpose of getting rich if there's no one else rich? You know. Yeah, there's got those other people out there that I'm not going to mention no names, that I wouldn't want to be associated to them no matter how much money they got. So, anyways, if you're a patriotic person, you know what I'm talking about. So, anyways, we're going to go ahead and get started on this. I'm not going to be running around in the front of this video too long, but we're going to get to it and get this done. It's probably one of my shortest videos, so it is what it is. But I greatly appreciate you watching, and let's get to it. Here, smaller screwdriver. I just went and grab a smaller screwdriver. Maybe that ought to help, because it came out. So maybe I should have used a smaller screwdriver for this one. Alright. So with that, now that y'all know, use a smaller screwdriver in there instead of this big guy. I used a smaller one. It came right out. So and what I'm gonna do with this is I'll push this through first, then I'll push this in here. But it doesn't fit. Okay, it doesn't fit. So what I do is I just snip it off, just right here a little bit. And open it up. And if you notice right here, this is where I cut it off last time, and it ripped way back here. So it's not that it's gonna rip right here when you get it in. It'll just rip where the connection ends back here, you know. And it's not particularly anybody's fault, because it's a bad spot. It's not real flexible, and then you turn it, your wife gets on it and she turns it one way, or the kids get on it, turns it, you know. It's just at that one spot. The hose is flexible, but it's just not durable enough, I find, for it to last. I think I would say that right there would be a great point to put, like, maybe some type of
thick rubbery type of stuff to go over it. Maybe that would help protect it. I'm talking about like the manufacturers or something, to do that. I don't know. Look, I just made it even shorter. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to stick this in here, which it's really an extreme tight fit. So I have an idea. All right, I don't know if this is gonna work, but I'm gonna heat this up. Try to make it a little bit of pliable, so it's not, excuse me, so it's not tough. And let me see what happens. You guys can take what I do as a grain of salt and learn from it. If you want to implement what I'm doing, do it at your own risk. Like this right here, I think the only riskful thing, you might stab yourself. But I mean, I could be wrong. There could be more risk involved than just doing this. But I mean, it did go on. So, and then from what I do from here, I get electrical tape. I clean all this off with isopropyl alcohol, and I clean it up. So just in case I said it incorrectly, there you go. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this. I'm sure if I pull too hard, it'll come right off, but we don't want it to. We did get it over that lip, though. That's good. So we want it. Okay. All right. So now that I got it this far, I'm going to go ahead and put some tape around it. The tape, I don't even know if the tape's doing anything, in my opinion. But I do it to add to the help, you know, to help secure it. That's all. I might not need tape. You could try it without tape. That's how I did it. And then I shove this back on right here. See, I think I put too much tape. But you just want to be careful. And there it is. Got it on. Now, my wife can go back to doing the vacuuming without and have a suction. So hope this was a better explanation, and I hope this helps anybody who had a problem with this. And so I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. I'll hit the subscribe button, the like bell, and I'll see you in the next one.